This repair video for the P0134 error code is specifically tailored for Chevrolet drivers. If your Chevrolet is showing up P0134 code, this is for you. This means the PCM isn't receiving expected voltage signals from the upstream oxygen sensor located before the catalytic converter on the first engine cylinder bank. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leak, faulty ECM. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Lexus, Nissan, Chevrolet, Acura, Hyundai, Scion, Toyota, and Honda vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.